Hello guys, welcome to this one of the most demanded course of these days, that is machine learning with Python. Myself is waqasarshad and I have been a senior lecturer, machine learning practitioner, machine learning engineer and machine learning researcher for the past 5 years or so. So let's start with the very interesting things that people are doing with the help of machine learning these days. You open a Google Translator page, you type in anything in any language, and the system automatically translates it into the any other language that you want to. Then one of the most interesting applications of machine learning and deep learning these days is the driverless cars. Yes, that is literally possible that drivers are going to commit and the cars are going to move freely on the roads without the help of any driver. Then you go on and open a Netflix page, you watch some movie or some season, and the system automatically starts recommending you the other movies and seasons that you may be interested in. Same is the case for Amazon, that you go on the site, you visit some product, or you add some item on your cart, and the system starts recommending you the products that you may be interested in. Then the most important sector of our society, that is healthcare, machine learning is contributing a lot into it as well. Yes, it's the time of personalized healthcare systems through machine learning. We are going to recommend medicines and other treatment based on their personalized profile. Then we are going to predict some dangerous diseases like cancer and others at very early stage with the help of machine learning and deep learning. Now, the best thing about this course is that no prior machine learning or Python knowledge is required for this course. Every concept, every tool that we will use, the environment which we will work on, and the data sets that will be required, the libraries that will be essential, everything will be explained to you in very basic detail. So let's subscribe to this channel and let's get moving. Till then, take care.